how to fix the 502 bad gateway error on Android. So if you want to fix the 502 bad gateway error on your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with the three dots which will be in the top right and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it. After that, tap on delete browsing data which will be in the top and then delete all of your browsing history. After deleting your browsing history or your browsing data, your problem might be fixed. Tap on delete. Now you need to go back and open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to search for Chrome. After searching, you need to tap on Chrome application. Now go with clear data which will be in the bottom right and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once done, just go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.